Hi guys, this is Kristin with apokreations, and I'm gonna make some Christmas coasters. So I am using my brand new master cast that I received from the lovely Laura over at Laura's Art Corner, and see where we go from there. Now, I have also created my own glitter using 4 different colors from PDB Creative Studio. I have Eternity, Effin' Merry, Joy to the World, and Wonderland. So let me get my resin mixed up and run it through my debubbler, and I will be right back. Alrighty, so I have run this, I mixed it up, ran it through my debubbler, and added my glitter. So I am not gonna fill these up all the way. Because I want to, what was I gonna say? Sorry, I totally lost my train of thought. Oops. Oh, because I want to put the UVDTF Christmas stickers on there, and I wanted to make sure that I left enough room to put it on there and then do a top coat. All right, so I am going to put this in my, now it won't, it's too big for the G3, but it should fit into my tumbler curing machine from Resiners. So I'm gonna pop these bubbles, and then I will be back when it's time to put the stickers on. All right, so these have cured, and I'm going to put these UVDTF stickers on them. Oh my gosh. Okay. Tape trick again. Ugh. Ugh. Okay, so now that I've got those on there, I am going to mix up some resin and I'll be right back. Okay, so I mixed up some Bond Crafter 1-to-1, ran it through my debubbler. Oh, it's so crystal clear. I'm just gonna dome them just ever so slightly. All right, and I just have a smidge left, but I don't want to dome them any more than they already are. So I'm gonna let them go, and I'll find something else for this, and I will see you guys for the demold, although, you know, there's not much of a reveal, but I can do glamour shots. All right, I'll see you in a bit. All right, it's time for demold. So I do have a little bit of over pour. These are so pretty. I love these 3D style. So pretty. Oh, that one's off center and it's gonna bother me. Ah. Oh, Lord. It's always something, right? but they are beautiful. Okay, if you could do me a favor and subscribe if you're not already, I would really appreciate it. Hit the like button, leave me a comment, tell me what you think about my 3D UVDTF glitter coasters. Wow, that was a mouthful. I'll put up the QR codes for the Buy Me a Coffee and the subscription to YouTube on the TV. And I will see you guys for the next one. Don't forget to binge watch the playlist in the description below. All right, have a blessed day. Take care. Bye-bye.